Hello dear students, I hope you all are doing fine at your homes. I hope you all are watching the videos. Okay, so in the last video we have discussed about polar bear and its adaptation with respect to the polar region. Polar region में polar bear किस तरह से survive करता है, this we have discussed in the last video. Now in this video we need to discuss some more things about it. See students, polar bear although has some features that helps them, they have some features that will help them to survive, but there are some problems as well that arise during their lifespan. In winter what happens, if the polar bear is walking continuously or is doing physical activities, then he might need to take rest because the body gets overheated, as the outer surrounding is already cold, so their body is already heating them up. And if they are doing some physical activities, that is in search of prey, in search of predators, then the body temperature rises so much that they get heated up, and again they need to take rest. So whenever a physical activity is to be performed by the organisms living in polar region, it means that they need to take rest. And on summer days or on the warm days, they need to swim to again maintain their body temperature. So polar bear is a good swimmer, right? We have discussed all the points about polar bear, but polar bear is a good swimmer as well. Okay, as it can swim, it will help itself to keep its body cool during warm days, right? Now at the same time we should also know this, that while swimming inside the water, it has been observed that it can close its nostrils and stay under the water for a long period of times as well. So these adaptations are helping the polar bear to survive in the cold climate of the polar region. Okay, now I hope that we have discussed enough of polar region and the polar bear. Now we are going to move to another type of animal that is found in the polar region, that is penguin. Penguins are found. Penguins are having the polar region as their home. They also live at the home, as all people do live at their homes. So polar penguins also lives in the regions of polar region. Now what about penguins? What adaptations do they have during their lifespan? See, penguins are as the same as compared to the polar region, polar bear. Okay, penguins are having some features same as compared to the polar bear, like it also has white body. Okay, although the region of their arms and the region of their head is black in color, most of the region is white. Then the temperature insulation is there. Okay, that is they have thick skin and a layer of fat as well to keep themselves warm, to keep the penguins warm. Then they are always huddled together. They are always found huddled together. Means the two penguins, most probably the male and the female, is found attached together. They live together, and that is why they regulate their body temperature. As you know, two people living close or attached to each other, they can exchange heat, and it helps in keeping their body warm during even the coldest winter of the polar region. So for keeping their body warm, they are found huddled together. Now just like polar bear, penguins are also good swimmers. Okay, they are also good. Penguins are good swimmers because they have webbed feet. Webbed feet का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? See for example, these are the feet and this is showing a web here in between two bones or in between two fingers. If a web is there, if a mass is there, tissue is there, so that works as a web, and web helps in pushing the water and helps in the stroke that they need to produce, okay, so that they can swim easily. So for producing the strokes, powerful strokes, so that they can swim easily, so they are having these features as well. So penguin is also another adaptation of an animal living in polar region. Now one point we need to understand here, that one note we have to make, that when the winter sets, is it possible that all type of organisms will survive there? Answer is no. Fish can survive inside water. Polar bear, penguin have no choice other than staying there. ऐसा तो नहीं है polar bear can pack its bag and go to Maharashtra and stay there. It is the coldest and it requires the coldest क्योंकि body पहले ही गर्म है due to the thick layer of skin and all. So they need to stay there. That is the suitable environment for them. But it happens most of the times that the birds, some insects, some birds need to migrate. This point you might have learned in earlier classes as well, migration. What is migration? Migration means the movement of birds or movement of animals from a place where they are not getting sufficient or we can say where they are not getting proper environment and to a place where they are getting warmth. So in winter most of the birds in the polar region are migrating from one place to another place. You might have heard about the Siberian crane. Okay, Siberian crane that moves from Siberia and comes to India. It has been spotted in the Rajasthan region. Okay, it has been spotted in the Rajasthan region, Siberian crane. So it moves from Siberia and covers this much distance, right? So many birds are migratory. Some birds travel even up to 15,000 kilometers. Now a point is there that how they travel. Scientists have found out that the birds take the help of sun during the day for traveling in directions, as well as they take the help of the magnetic field of the earth. Our earth has its magnetic field, means the poles can be clearly seen, okay, so the poles and all, so the birds have a sense of magnetic field, so they move in that direction, and during the night by the help of the stars they move. But surprisingly it has been found out that a bird if visits a place once in a year, then again it will visit the place again and the same place, except they don't understand the language of the road sign boards written na, they will not see अरे अगर हमारी तरफ आना है उसको बर्ड को किसी, so he will not see the board of distance given at the entry of the city. What they have to find out, the proper way to come in, right, or they have to find out the aerial route. So they have some landmarks, उनके कुछ निशानी होती है, ठीक है, they set some landmarks while their return, okay, while their journey as well as while their return, and those landmarks that particular bird reminds of, okay, for traveling again. So that is why the birds are migrating to avoid the extreme cold. So that's why they move to slightly warmer places. Thoda sa warm. India is already a warm country, right? But in it there are some places like Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir and all, which is cold. So most of the Himalayan ranges, so most of the birds migrate from polar regions and come to such a places for surviving the extreme cold of the winter. Okay, so this is about the penguins and I told about the birds. Now there are some other animals that live in the polar region like reindeer, fox, seal, whales, etc. Okay, so they also do survive. So this is about the polar region and the adaptations of animals living in the polar region. I hope you have understood. If any doubt is there, then you can message me. Alright beta, thank you.